Yo, what's good, Kohana? We have XG or the second mini album. Let's get straight to it, man. Hope y'all been keeping well in that. Oh, wolves assemble. We setting the vibe right now, you know? Get the ambiance going. Oh, we building up. I feel like sometimes you just gotta close your eyes and like envision where we at. You know, like are we intergalactic with it right now? We in the UFO kind of just, you know? I need help. I apologize, man. I don't know what I be doing. My fault. We going somewhere, for sure. Or we've just arrived somewhere from where we were going type shit, you know? We have arrived at our destination type shit. Howling.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot, cause X flip that tone.
Oh, yo, this beat though.
Lights go out in my pack, just grow. Position my brain, my pose. Game hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks.
Tell them niggas, yeah, you don't want this.
Bring that smoke.
You don't want this.
Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head out. Sit a red dot. I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. Hold on.
Nah, they cooking right now. That flowed too beautifully, man.
You don't want no smoke. Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like
and the way that dun 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 with the 808.
Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head out. Sit a red dot. I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
They sound like killers for real. Bro, imagine being hunted down and then they start singing this beautifully in your ears. Come on now, man. Who's doing it like that? Tell them.
That's how we howl.
That's
how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
Yo, that's beautiful.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
That little boom, that 808 glide.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it, we didn't get it, run it back. You unleash the beast, call it Wolfgang cause we back to beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of
Nah, they cooking for real.
Move like a group of wild, there's no choice but to choose the violence.
Break out, no escape route, there's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down.
This sounds like we're ascending, man, you know, like.
That's how we howl.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
That sounds so beautiful.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now? Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away.
Survival of the fittest.
We're howling in the dark.
That's such a beautiful howl they got as well, you know, like low key when you hear ow, you might be scared for real, because it's like, yo, I'm in danger if I approach the howl. But like when they sound as beautiful as they do, hitting the owl, like low key, it might tempt you to like come closer type shit. You might follow the sound. You know how like when Jerry smells the cheese and it leaves a trail of cheese and he starts floating to the cheese? We're floating to the owl. I promise you, man, the way they howling,
That's how we howling.
different.
That's how we howling, growling, wilding. Where are you now?
Yeah, they cooked. Gorgeous, man. And the right mix of like beautiful with aggression as well. You feel me? Like we howling, we on the hunt. And then once we achieved our food, our meats, we sang and ascending. It's not fair. In the rain, with boombox in hand, you know, dancing to the love of our lives. Like, yo, I fucked up. I'm sorry. You know, but like, I'm gonna do whatever it takes.